Hello everyone, my name is Ishaan Bajaj. I am a first year undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 21EE10033. For my DIY assignment 1, I have created this phone case in FreeCAD software. Before I start explaining the design process, let us have a look at this phone case. I made this design using part design. To begin the designing process, I first made these two sketches. Then using the sweep tool, I swept the first sketch along the second sketch and I got this. Now to make the slots for the charger, speaker, power buttons along these surfaces, I made their sketches along these surfaces and then using the pocket tool, I got these respective slots. Now for the volume buttons on this surface, instead of using the pocket tool, I use the pad function to get a bump for the volume button like this, like we have on our phone cases. For the back portion of this phone case, I made another sketch along this frame and using the extrude function, I got this. Finally, I used the pocket function one last time to get this slot for my camera and flashlight. I have also filleted all the sharp edges so that the phone case can be held properly. I finally meshed the body using the mesh design and exported this as an STL file. Now let us move to Cura software to understand the 3D printing settings. After importing the STL file into the Cura software, I use this lay flat option so that my object lays flat on the printer bed. Now let us look at some of these printer settings. I set the layer height as 0.2 mm, wall thickness to 0.8 mm. I set infill density to 100%, printing temperature as 200 degrees Celsius and build plate temperature as 60 degrees Celsius. I set the printing speed at 60 mm per second. My object needs no support and I set the build plate adhesion type to brim. Now let us slice the object and estimate the printing time. So it will take approximately 2 hours 30 minutes for my object to get printed. Let us take a preview of the printing process. We can now save the G code. So that was about my assignment. I hope you liked it. Thank you.